What's up, guys? I'm Josh. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Before the video starts, I just wanted to say thank you for all the love and the support on the last video. I didn't expect to get anything over 1,000 views, and it's at like almost 250,000 views, which is just mind-boggling to me. Nonetheless, I also got almost 2,000 subscribers, which is such a big goal for me. As some of you might know if you follow me on Instagram, my goal this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers. I think we're well on our way to doing that. So today, filming a video modifying a vacuum, which what a great way to start a channel. Nonetheless, I plan on filming more videos such as skits like the one we're doing today, and then vlogs and other type of things. Just, you know, whatever's fun, whatever I think you guys would enjoy. Nonetheless, I'm Joshubaru, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Oh, you good?
Yo, is this gonna be too heavy? Yeah. Oh. Okay, what we got? Okay, we got turbo. Don't really know how that's.
Elephant. All right. Cool. Air freshener. Always gotta have the air freshener. What brand is this?
It's Tug Dreamers. Shout out. Sick sweatshirt. We got some spray paint. We got a Bose Zoku exhaust made out of definitely not PVC pipe. License plate, of course, needed. We got LEDs. These things flash red on all sorts of things.
So we got Rabbit Blue. Josh is
it's the worst blue out there.
blue color.
It's our Ward Raleigh blue paint, obviously. We got a variation of stickers, so that'll be fun.
And we're gonna make a splitter.
We're gonna make a oh yeah, we're gonna make a splitter. Clearly, it's not low enough.
It could be lower.
Yeah, it could be lower.
Model UH 770.
Is it? I haven't even looked at it. I just bought it at Goodwill and put it in the back of my car. I mean, I drove it here.
I wonder how much sucking this thing does.
120 volts worth, clearly.
I think it can do better.
I know I could do better. Well, what's the first thing we're gonna do, Brandon?
Take it off the lift.
all that time that we took. There we go.
We need jack stands.
Yeah, we need jacks. Actually, yeah, get some jack stands.
It's missing a wheel.
Yeah, that's good. Nah, that's quality. Oh.
How'd you break it again?
I moved it 3 inches.
Jack it up.
Okay, I got you.
Don't you need to make a disclaimer? We're not responsible for your vacuum.
You might be wondering, do you guys even know what you're doing? No. 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 I mean, he knows how to suck pretty well, but...
I don't know about that.
Drop it down slowly. Careful. 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 Perfect. Mom, if you're watching this, I swear I have all 43 chromosomes. Is it 43 chromosomes or 46?
I'm gonna take this out.
That comes out. Really.
Maybe we should get it off the jack.
Wait, so how are we gonna do this?
Oh yeah, that should work. have some.
That's how I spent my Sunday.
Grind these down.
And then put that black thing through the hole.
It'll fit with enough lube there.
Yeah, here. I mean, we can go get some lube. I know you have some. All right, we got some lube. I can't believe it, but we got some lube.
Oh, I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's not.
So if we cut this off right here, it should fit perfectly.
Yeah, we can use like a coupler or something of that sort. Or use a, what's it called?
Duct tape.
Duct tape works. Yeah, I'm down with that.
It would work.
I got a 14-day return on this thing. Just need to be able to return this later. I need my 25 bucks back.
We should try to return it.
It broke. I don't know what happened. Somebody put a turbo on it. No, we should do a. I'm telling you, we gotta do a CarMax video. I took my vacuum to CarMax. You will never believe what they offered me. Why is this like the sickest thing ever? If anybody wants some Hoover parts, just hit me up in the DMs. Turbo's installed. Now, got spray paint, got tons of zip ties, got some plates, got some LEDs, got my phone, got a bracket, got to make the exhaust. Got a few things to do. Next up, we are going to spray these wheels white.
Lays that cardboard, sprays everywhere.
What color of white is this, Josh? VHT flame proof. Just in case our vacuum catches on fire, the paint will be mint.
And knowing me, it probably will if it's only last video. There we go.
Josh, I said no painting the floor.
Oh, I didn't realize.
How do you paint the floor way over here?
What are you talking about? Just finished cutting up the splitter. Time to go see what it looks like on the Hoover. Jeez, look at that. Jeez. This is gonna be the hottest Hoover out there. That is fresh as frick. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of this car. Caleb and Brandon, they had to go, so we're just gonna finish this back at my house. But nonetheless, major shout out to them. Definitely couldn't have been done without them. So yeah, their links will be below. Also, I'll put them on the screen right here for like their Instagram or whatever. But yeah, nonetheless, gonna go finish this back at my place. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, back at the garage. There's a Subi right there. Here's the really sick Hoover. It's almost done. Got a few more things I want to do on it, but we just didn't have time today. So yeah, going to pick this up tomorrow. up guys? Back for day 2 of the vacuum build. I just want to tidy up a few things. I want to spray paint a few things, add some stickers, wrap it. I want to clean that up, maybe change the color here, I'm not sure yet. It's almost done. So yeah, enjoy day 2 of the vacuum build. Looking mint. Look familiar? All right, it's finally done, as you can see in the background. This has been a long time coming. It took all of like 4 hours to do. Nonetheless, I think it's actually pretty cool. I think it's I'm for sure, maybe it's a world first. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna say it anyways. Cue the cinematic shots of the world's first turboed vacuum. An actual running turbo boosted vacuum cleaner. Probably the first in the world, I would say. More or less because no one's dumb enough to do this. I guess I can give you guys a basic rundown on everything that's on the Hoover. So, without further ado, we have TD04 turbo from O2 Wrx. It's my old turbo before it blew up, and it has a shaft play. So. Also, boost gauge that came off of my car. This is an air freshener from my boy Nick. I'll give him a little link right here to his Instagram. I won this at an arcade, so he's just the pilot, I guess. I got a bunch of lights right here, right here, right here. Also got one back here. Had to get a splitter. You know, got to protect the underside of it. Got white wheels, because, you know, everything looks good on white wheels. Had to, of course, plug the YouTube. Now back here, we've got a license plate off of my Forester, plus the Stance Nation Fresh as Frick license plate cover. And then of course, if you didn't already notice, we've got the Bozozoku style exhaust, which just looks like a lawnmower, honestly. And there you have it. Probably the world's first turbo vacuum, wouldn't be surprised. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. It means a lot to me. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any ideas for like future videos. I definitely have a lot of content coming this year. It's gonna be a fun year. It's gonna be a fun year. All the links to my Instagrams, my friends' Instagrams will be down in the description below. And yeah, until next time.